Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze a header in a Confluence table so your data stays organized and readable as you scroll in 2026. Let's get into it. First, create your table in the space. The first step is placing your content within a specific Confluence space where the table formatting can be applied. Select one of your spaces from the left sidebar and click the Edit pencil icon at the top right of your page. Type the shortcut /table and press Enter to insert a new table onto the page. In 2026, using the / command is the fastest way to pull up the table module. Starting within a specific space ensures that the table inherits the correct permissions and visibility settings for your team immediately. Next, populating your data. Before the sticky functionality becomes useful, your table needs enough content to require scrolling. Enter your data into the rows and columns, ensuring your top row contains your category titles. Fill enough rows so that the table extends beyond the bottom of your current screen view. A frozen header only activates once the table is long enough to scroll. By entering your data first, you are providing the scrollable content that triggers Confluence's automatic header pinning logic. Next, update and save to activate. In the 2026 version of Confluence, the sticky header behavior is a native feature that activates once the page is live. Once your data is entered, click the blue Update or Publish button in the top right corner. Scroll down through your content on the published page to see the header row lock in place. Confluence's editor often hides advanced scrolling behaviors to save on interface clutter. Clicking Update saves your progress and moves the table into the Live View environment, where the code for the fixed header row is officially triggered for the reader. And that's pretty much it. To freeze a header in 2026, select your space, hit Edit, and create a table using the /table command. Enter your data and click Update. Once the page is saved, your table's header row will automatically remain fixed at the top as you scroll down. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.